Yo, what's up with the One Piece family? Straw Hat crew, what's goody? You already know what time it is. We got another one. Volume 6 again. See if we can pull us a manga, SP, anything good. You already know. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to it. So already seen one collection box. Yet I seen them all. They still haven't had no volume 5, just the volume 6. Yeah, I'm tearing up this box. You already know, got the promo cards in there. Look at that. Can't get enough of that. Good fire promo. Nice. This one, fire. So you got your OP13. Set them over there. And you have PRB 2. Let's go with our classics. I like to show the old school they respect. You know what I'm saying? Show the old school they respect. Let's get it. See if we can pull something good, family. Know the vibes. Okay, nothing shining in that one. It's alright. Let's see if we can pull us a hit, baby. Let's go. Let's see if we get something. Ooh, well, I like that. That's that crocodile. Got us a villain. Crocodile. Okay. We'll take it. And a Monkey D. Luffy. And a Shanks. Nice, nice. Okay. Let's go to our other pack. Anything good? Okay. Let's roll with it. Ooh. Okay. A Black Maria. Or Maria. Nice. Okay. Oh, snappity snap. We got us something. We got us something, family. What? Uh-oh. Bam! Let's go. Ooh, that is...
I'm leaving here with something. You know what I mean? I'm from around the way. I'm leaving with something.
Is beautiful, family. Look at that. That Trafalgar Law. That is nice. Holy. Oh, yes. We gotta sleeve that up. And a Just Shut Up. Gum. Hold on, let me get us a sleeve for that. ASAP Rocky. We're gonna look that up as well. Yeah, this is clean, family. I was just looking at these cards. Hold on. About to look that up. Y'all check that out. That is clean right there, baby. Yeah, that's fire. Hold on. We looking. Ooh, yup, that's the SP, family. We just pulled the SP. That Trafalgar Law. Yes, we did. It is at pretty much 200, family. We pulled the SP. Let's go. Let's get it. Nice. So you gotta show the old school love, family. Gotta show the old school love. Put that down there, make sure that's good. Dang, that mug is nice too. That is clean, real clean. Yeah, we gonna send that off to get graded. Pulled us another one. Clean. Yep. And that is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That would be like the 10th card. 10th chase card. Let's go with OP13, family. Let's go. Okay. So you want to slide that over. Pop that over. My bad, y'all. Just trying to straighten up. No, okay. I got the cards right here. I'm like, what did I do with the cards? Let's go. Let's see if we get us a hit in 13. There we go. Get that out of that light. I got my other lights. I'm about to put those up, family. Anything good? Ooh, okay. Take this Stussy. Definitely take that. We'll take that Stussy. Okay, we got Stussy. Alright, we'll put that with that one. Put these right over here. Last pack magic. Let's see if we get some goodie. Bam. Okay, let's see if we get something good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I know we got a hit somewhere. We about due for a hit in 13. About due for a hit. Nope. Yep, so nothing in our last pack magic. Nope. I'm gonna show y'all what we pulled. Double checking, making sure. Right. So let's see what we pulled. Oh, these is those are the promo cards. So we had the Stussy. Some real good cards. Detail. I love the artwork in One Piece, man. It's beautiful. Pokemon too, but One Piece really. Let's just look at the details, man. Fire. Fire. Okay, knock it. Bam. Look at that. Nice. Look at that. Okay, and our hit. This Trafalgar Law SP, family. Yes, sir, Straw Hat Crew. You already know. Chasing after the One Piece. Just like Luffy. Let's get it. Appreciate all the love and support. Thank y'all for tuning in. Hopefully we get something else on the next one. One Piece family. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Peace.